Today we are taking it back to the basics. We're gonna grill what I like to call a campfire steak. Check it out. So at the center of our cook today, we've got a bone-in ribeye choice grade steak. Anytime I'm grilling steak over the fire, I like to elevate it by adding a few other side ingredients. So today we're gonna do some grilled lime and cilantro, make a paste out of that for the steak. Also gonna do some roasted garlic, some serrano peppers. I've got some portobello mushrooms. We're gonna melt some butter, drizzle that in the steak to get a good sear. And then I've got my top secret steak rub. So let's get the fire going. We'll get these ingredients prepped and we'll take it from there. So the coals have burned down nicely. It's got a good coal bed to work with. So I'm going to just put a cooking grate, and you could use any grate out of a barbecue or a grill. This is just one you use in the kitchen, like kind of a cooling rack. And let's get the mushroom on there first. For the garlic, I'm just taking half a bulb of garlic and I'm just putting it face down. So we got the vegetables off. Get the fire ready for steak. I like a little bit of flame to actually kiss the meat, and that gets that fat nice and charred. Oh yeah, look at that crust on there. Looks pretty hot. So in the ribeye, you've got a spinalis, you've got the rib or the eye portion of it, and then you've got the meat that's on the rib. I like to start with the spinalis, that's the most tender part. So it's gonna cut this way. Oh yeah, a little bit of pink in the middle. Let's get a couple of good slices of that, nice and juicy. That looks good. That's tender. Smells delicious. Holy cow. So the steak turned out great. I'm gonna do a mixture of the vegetables with the steak here. I like to take a bit of this cilantro paste. This is cilantro, salt, and then that grilled lime. Squeeze it in there. And then a little piece of the serrano pepper. And then we'll take one of these little bits of garlic. Just kind of mash it together and make a little hors d'oeuvre. Yeah, that's good. So there you have it. That's the campfire ribeye steak with some peppers, some mushrooms, some garlic. Man, thanks for watching The Carnosaur. I've been Kyle this whole time.